Guys, long time no see. I have missed you all immensely, but I'm back with a fun video. It is a long time coming only because I could not find this anywhere. It sold out the moment it came out. My color, at least I think it's my color. And what I'm talking about is this new Natasha Denona Hy-Glam foundation in the color N7. I couldn't find it anywhere. I couldn't find it on her site, on Sephora, on Ulta, on TikTok, anywhere. It was gone and finally it came back in stock. I grabbed it and I'm here to film a video for you. I'm going to review it. I'm gonna wear it all day. I hope it's good like everybody says it is. And if you want to see how this turns out, let's get into it. Okay, first let's address the elephant in the room. I did color my hair. It is dark and I love it. My hairdresser listened to what I wanted and completely just did what I love. I'm obsessed. But I do have to change my makeup a little bit, but I digress. Now that we discussed this, we went dark for fall. We love it. Okay, let's move on to this foundation. So this is a hydrating and blurring longwear radiant serum foundation that is supposed to be, hold on, it's clinically proven to be a medium buildable coverage, radiant blurring finish, self-setting formula, short and long-term hydration, I don't know what that means, balance excess oil, I'm not super oily, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, safe for sensitive skin, all those things kind of mean the same thing, right? And long-lasting up to 18 hours, talc-free, suitable for all skin types, available in 52 shades. Again, I purchased N7. From what I gathered, this will be my best match, so let's go ahead and just try it. My skin is completely free, clean. I'm just gonna put in a little bit of moisturizer because I did skincare in the morning and now I just feel a little bit dry, so we're gonna do a little bit of moisturizer. I'm not going to do primer. We're gonna raw dog this thing, right? Okay. My mirror is right here. Okay, let's see this cut. The bottle is beautiful. Let's see. Ugh. Okay, so I got the color on. Looks like it'll be a match. It is a little thick. I'm going to use a beauty blender only because that's what I always use on new foundation. I'm not a big... That looks like a perfect match. No wonder all the ends, the neutrals, are sold out everywhere. Oh my God, look at that. Let's see. So I have, as you could tell, I have my little dark spot right here and a bunch of dark spots right here. We will put the foundation on. It does have a scent. It doesn't last on the skin. The match is perfect. I am shooketh. But we shall see how self-setting it is. Whenever a foundation has all these outlandish claims, I'm always like, doesn't crease. Oh, sorry, doesn't crease. Self-setting. You know what I mean? Nothing doesn't crease. We're human, our face moves. Unless you are a robot, your foundation will crease. Okay, let's move on to this side of the face. I'm gonna do one layer and then I'm gonna let it dry a little bit and do another layer because from what I could see, the first layer, which says medium full, it did not cover my spots right here. You know what? Why don't I have... Here it is. Like you see, the spot still goes through. So I'm thinking that it might not be the foundation that has a scent, but I just washed my beauty blender. So it could just be the soap from the beauty blender. Okay. The match is beautiful. It's exactly my skin tone. I absolutely love it. For now, the finish is really radiant, but it's supposed to be self-setting, so we shall see. Let's give it like a minute and go over this layer with another layer. Layer number 2. Let's go in and see how nicely it covers. I'm also looking, so what I look for in a foundation, I want it to cover, I want it to look somewhat natural, you know, and I want it to last. You know my love for Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I used to love Power Fabric, but they stopped making it. At least that's what I think it is. Okay, so this did a little bit better job of covering it up. Let's go on this side. I don't want it to look cakey. That's one of the other things that I'm looking for in a foundation. So yeah, you could still see it, but it's okay. Even the most full coverage foundation will not really cover it. So I don't know, but here is how it looks with 2 layers. Let me move in closer for you guys. 2 layers. I'm going to go and finish off the face, and we'll come back and I'll give you my initial thoughts, and then I'll check in throughout the day just to show you what it looks like. My makeup is not complete yet. I just wanted to hop on while I'm doing it. I have my liquid cream bronzer and cream blush on, and my concealer, which I did set. The foundation, so it's been about like 10 minutes, right, while I was doing all of that. The foundation is still sticky. Okay, so did it self-set? No. I'm going to go ahead and set it because it's been 10 minutes, nothing set, it's moving around. But it looks beautiful. Look how nice it looks. So I just wanted to hop on and tell you that a little tidbit. Let's go back to finishing my makeup. Makeup is done, guys. I did end up setting the foundation. I really like it. My skin looks beautiful. This foundation has the most beautiful finish. I will tell you, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to check in throughout the day, but I will tell you in the description box what I feel about this foundation after today. But so far it is gorgeous. Do you guys have this foundation? Did you get it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.